In travel news for September 28th, 2022, we talk about the aftermath of Hurricane Fiona in the Dominican Republic, Cuba the day after Hurricane Ian, as well as how Walt Disney World and Universal Studios are responding to the incoming storm. But before we begin, I'm Brandon with the Adept Traveler, and this is Today in Travel. To stay updated on travel news, tips, tricks, and other insights, which will help you to travel like an adept traveler, subscribe to this YouTube channel. We frequently release new content to keep you up to date on all things travel. Some resorts in the Dominican Republic are closing temporarily or limiting operations while they clean up and repair damage from Hurricane Fiona. The Hilton La Romana, Hyatt Zilara Cap Cana, and Hyatt Ziva will all be closing temporarily, with reopen dates ranging between November and December this year. Club Med Punta Cana is temporarily closing with a reopen date scheduled for October 22nd. Two properties in the AMR Collection have been affected. The Secrets Cap Cana Resort and Spa is limiting operation, but expects to be fully operational soon, while the Dreams Royal Beach Punta Cana is fully operational, but is undergoing repairs related to the storm. If you are scheduled to stay in any of these resorts, or in the Dominican Republic at all, you will need to contact your travel advisor to better understand how these closures or any others will impact your travels. In Cuba, Hurricane Ian knocked out power to the entire island. As of Wednesday, power has only been restored to 3 regions. The capital city of Havana and much of the western side of the island, where the storm was at its strongest, is still without power. Ian hit Cuba as a Category 3 hurricane and destroyed homes, buildings, and other critical infrastructure. In an especially hard economic blow to Cuba, many tobacco farms had necessary infrastructure destroyed, which will be a major setback to the production of Cuban cigars. While many of Florida's theme parks and resorts were closing in preparation for Hurricane Ian, Walt Disney World and Universal Studios Florida both adopted a wait-and-see approach. With Ian expected to make landfall as a Category 4 hurricane, both Disney and Universal have announced immediate closures of their theme parks for Wednesday and Thursday of this week. Disney is working with travel advisors and guests to modify park and resort reservations without any penalties. Any open reservations during park closures will be automatically canceled and refunded. If you had plans to visit Walt Disney World, Universal Studios Florida, or really anywhere in Florida in the coming weeks, you really should reach out to your travel advisor. Today in Travel is brought to you by The Adept Traveler, a travel agency that specializes in accessible travel. Our goal is to help all travelers, from the novice to the expert, from the able-bodied to the disabled, to travel well. Until next time, travel well, my friends. Its strongest and guests to modify part for closing in preparation for